been searching from last night why my iPad wasn't playing as well as my iPhone when I connected to a Bluetooth speaker. And for me, I shut down the iPad, restarted it, still did it. Sort of a tinny sound without the bass. All you've got to do is, for me, this was go to Bluetooth. I disconnected the Bluetooth, then I pushed the Bluetooth button on the speaker, the JBL speaker, and it reconnected to the JBL Extreme well, and then I went back and played it, and it's fine now. Got the bass, which it didn't have, much fuller sound. So I hope that's helped you, but it helped me. Just turn Bluetooth off, then reconnect it again to the speaker by pushing the Bluetooth activation button on the speaker. Then it comes up in Bluetooth and connect. I hope this helps a lot of people, but I was thinking of taking it back. Thanks for watching.